Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Little London in Westmoreland and we are showing you the site of where they're going to be building the new Negril International Airport. Now this is going to be a massive airport the size of the Norman Manley International Airport. It's to help with all the traffic that's coming into Jamaica as the Sanctuary International Airport just cannot manage. So this land that we're looking at is actually where they're going to be building the airport. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what they plan. The Airports Authority of Jamaica has identified a site for the establishment of the country's fourth international airport, which is to be located in Little London, Westmoreland. The development follows the recent announcement by Prime Minister Andrew Holness for the establishment of an international airport in the resort town of Negril. President and Chief Executive Officer of the AAJ says the directive given by the government was for the AAJ to determine the extent to which the Negril aerodrome could be upgraded to an international airport. Mr. Diedrich stated that consultants were hired to develop a master plan to transform the facility. We engaged consultants to do the necessary studies, and out of those studies, it has emerged that the present aerodrome is not suitable for development of a major international airport, taking flights or aircraft of the size of, say, the 737s, which is the most common airline aircraft utilized for transportation now, he disclosed. Mr. Diedrich said, having done the research in the Negril area, the consultants have located an alternative site in Little London, which is within 15 to 20 minutes away from the tourist belt and the Negril 7-mile beach. He said plans are now being crafted for the development of this international airport, which is expected to ease some of the pressure off the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay. Alright guys, so that is the end of the update article. So that is why the airport is going to be built in Negril, in Little London, and not where the Negril aerodrome is. Now, when they did the international airport in Ocho Rios, they made a mistake of upgrading the existing aerodrome there. The Bosco Bell aerodrome was upgraded to the Ian Fleming International Airport. And that proved to be a mistake because that airport cannot land a 737. The runway is just not long enough. So it's good that they have decided to go with a new site. In this case, one that has enough space for them to expand the airport, expand the runway to whatever length they want over time. Alright, so this is Little London and we are now coming up to the site on the left. This school is actually going to have to be moved to facilitate the building of the airport. This is the Little London High School and it's going to have to be relocated for them to build the airport. Alright guys, so this is the site on the left. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.